conditions, hunger, sleepless nights, to gain freedom for our beloved Benguet that time. To refresh our memory, we were under the American Commonwealth when the Japanese Army bombed Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941, and Camp John Hay, Baguio on December 8, 1941. Japanese occupation in Philippines occurred from May 1942 after the fall of Bataan until liberation of Benguet in 1945. Yada dumagamin, handa mo, iso nga, medyo i-refresh pa. Ano welcome, istura ba situin? Ano sa... Okay. Now, one can just imagine the lives of the recruited young people and reservists who formed the 66th Infantry Battalion and who fought bravely to save our people. It is for this reason that we celebrate every Liberation Day in each municipality to remember their heroic deeds, unselfishness, and unity. Starting with Kapangan, who was liberated on March 7. So every year datoy, abang kami makikijoin the Liberation Days na gitoy, different municipalities. So, di ati mang mangyari. And then of course, so nga dito'y Benguet, basta nga culminating activity dito'y. So kunada nga, August 15, 1945, the official nga na-liberate the Benguet. Pero actually, there were, mga Japanese kanwindi. But for official records, August 15. Now, apay na August 17 tata, iti August 15 Saturday. So, baka manan, kami lang, tiyanda iso nga, tatang morning, kabil da, basta, nagito'y committee, the August 17. And again, pitpidwak, salamat nga imay kayo. Baka next year, may to the weather tayo. Okay? Now, we ISDAI members and other post-war veterans who are actually retired military army show our support by our presence with the hope of upholding the memorable show of unity or cohesiveness, valor, and patriotism of our brave soldiers. We want the people and future generations to never forget the true peace of freedom. And actually, ato ti adults nga, anyakano ti dyan. So nga, makapasangit actually, I feel emotional. Tatay ta, aray. Adati handa mo nga, anyakano dito eh. Baka umay dala ang mga. Sorry So nga, matitirik na nga. Baka ti boses ko nga, agrerya nga may kayo, kasto ti istorya, ti kasto eh. But anyway, salamat kayo kayo. Today, we not only remember our lost World War II veterans, or actually the main characters for the celebration, but also our brave post-war veterans who lost their lives from 1946 to the present in fighting for freedom from national and local terrorism, drug problems, poverty, and others like friendly acts to other places. Tadak ito'y post-war, ito'y problema di country tayo di problema. Hindi kami naglabanan dati foreign invaders like Japanese. Namayad friend tayo di Japanese tatanya. Tata, amin na problema. This post-war veterans, isuti inararamida. No? So, I believe Benguet has lost some numbers of our young post-war veterans. So we include them in our prayers today. Yeah, remember them. Now allow me to quote these emotional words from a living World War I veteran somewhere in the States. Agasong nabiyag pa lang 105 kanon. It says, freedom was paid for by names of people you know and will never know. Ibig sabihin, nga tinatay na unnamed. Hantayo piman amo. So this refers to the unnamed soldiers who died. Indeed, Benguet freedom was not paid for by bills, by quota, but by the sweat and tears, blood and lives of our Benguet soldiers, including Bulumin or the guerrillas, yeah? And young men whose ideals were to preserve peace and unity in our country. It is therefore noteworthy to have a veterans memorial wall in a shrine where their names will be etched for our future generations to learn more about Benguet history, to emulate their bravery, and for tourists also to appreciate our province. This is a challenge to our... Sino ti-challenge natin? Oops! Sino ti-challenge natin? Tamnada ti Veterans Memorial Wall dito ay Benguet Province. Senator. Provincial. Provincial officials. In bahala na nga ang biro kitay. Pansi dyan nato, di ba? O, dapat ni Senator Robin Padilla. So, challenge kanya tayo, takayat tayo nga dati Veterans Memorial Wall in the shrine. Kata, Dejay, ayan may Jay Beng VFP, Hugis, under use of Rakayang di Benguet Province. So, iluluwalin mi nga, ijay kumati pagkaramidan nyo. Panunutin nyo, now. So, but anyway, salamat unay provincial officials, the support tayo kanyamin niya. You always support us. So once again, welcome to this 81st Benguet Liberation Day celebration. Thank you.